This is a handicap lift in the heart of the new student center at Western. So we're on the second floor as the switch on the first floor is locked, but if I push the 1 button on here, the door opens. Let's go down. Three. For its height, almost 2 exact floors, it is very slow, as a regular VPL should be. So that's strange. Door opens automatically here. Nice. So here we are on the 3rd floor. And the gate closes automatically right behind me. Back to 1. It's pretty much silent. I like it. Motor's behind here. These connect different levels of the heart.